Hi guys, look at this truck in front of us. Look at the load it's carrying. It's not covered. Now this truck is supposed to be covered. You're not supposed to carry something like this without the truck being covered. We're driving through Yalos. The town of Yalos in St. Thomas. And wow. There you can see the taxi just stop in the road. Look at the state of this road. Seems as if they paved the road and then they had to dig it up because this side of the road is paved. Not sure, say the road has been paved, but yeah, they're digging it up. Guys, you guess what government entity is digging up this road? I'm not going to say it, but I have an idea which entity is digging up this road. They're famous for digging up roads that have been recently upgraded. You can see this road has been paved. You see the asphalt on it, and you see the holes that they are digging. Again, look on the left. They have dug up the road. The good thing is the road project is moving along nicely because this road was like a riverbed a couple months ago, but you can see progress being made. I think this is one of the sections that the local contractors were working on. And I don't think it was China Harbour Engineering Company. China Harbour Engineering Company did the section from Harbourview to Yalos. That was the hardest section because the existing road had to be expanded to 4 lanes, structures had to be removed, and in 2 sections a new road had to be built going through the hills. So local contractors, China Harbour Engineering Company was used for that section. But down here now, it was given to a local subcontractor. I'm not sure if they finished the work or China Harbour Engineering Company had to take it back. So if anybody knows, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. 10 local subcontractors were used on this project, and 8 of them, 7 or 8, contract was either taken back or they gave it back, and China Harbor Engineering Company finished the work. Now that's a truck that was driving. I've never understand. People drive so fast, overtake, just to go there and park the truck to go inside somewhere. Park the truck in the road on top of that. Unbelievable the way some people drive. That was the hurry. Okay, what is this trailer doing? Alright, so this is the town center for Yalos now. And okay, why would they have these things sticking out of the road? And how do you see them at night? The yellow tape? This is literally in the road. This one doesn't even have the yellow tape on it. I don't know if they're putting in a stoplight, but the stoplight would be up in the air. If anybody knows what's going on right there, leave a comment in the section below. Now look at this again. You can see the road was paved, and you see they dig up the road. You can see it right there. The road was dug up. But this is definitely a major improvement from what was here before. This road was terrible. It was one of the worst roads in Jamaica. So I'm assuming China Harbor Engineering Company took over the project. This is one of the sections they probably took over.